Hello and a warm welcome to another operator video of the Management Center. In this video we are concentrating on a forensic search functionality which make a search on the existing footage based on post-video motion search. To start that, we're using here the select and the lower button, lower corner, and selecting with the right mouse click the Smart Data Search. In the Smart Data Search, which is our forensic search, we have here in the lower center buttons the selection which kind of search we like to choose based on metadata, or we can choosing in post video motion search with the second button below. By selecting this button, the post video motion search dialog will appear. Currently there is a search in progress, but nevertheless we will configure the search area, the area of interest in my camera. So I'm selecting here that green rectangle, adjust the size. I can also make it smaller or bigger. Now I adjusted that to say, okay, if somebody crossed my backyard in this field, and then I'm selecting the time when this or where the search should take the search on it from a specific date and time until a specific date and time. Choosing here now some days, where the system should search if somebody or some pixel change has take effect in this selected area. After I have configured the conditions, I can save that, and now you see only the cutout of the area where I have placed the area of interest. On the left hand side I can choose the threshold to say which pixel change must be taking place, and then I stop the former search and starting the new search. And now the post-video motion algorithm gets through the defined recording and find here all events where the pixel change was higher than the selected threshold. You got here some preview images, and yes, of course, you see some real events. Of course, sometimes based on the illumination you get also some kind of false alarms, but that you can adjust with the video motion threshold to make it more sensitive or less sensitive. But nevertheless, we can see here with the result list, we got here some results, and if we click on one of these results, a preview will appear in the right upper corner. If you go with the mouse over, and then there are appearing some on-screen dialogues where you can make an instant player directly of that or jump directly to that playback. And during I has played with the preview, the system simply found more events. Of course, I'm selecting several days, but you see this runs in parallel. I can cancel that now, and now we can take a look on the already detected events from the first minutes of the search. And if we're selecting here one of them, and we have also here the on-screen dialogues with the instant player, where it starts the instant player, or if we are interested to make a direct playback research, we can switch on the playback button itself, and then the playback mode will be open, and we can start exactly from that moment our playback and get out what the person, this was me in this case, has done in the backyard of my garden. If we decide to say that's important, we need to put that to our export list. We open it. In that export list there are some older recordings. We simply can delete it to say that it's not interested. We only want to export that new event in the export list by pressing the lower export button, and then we can export that video to the local hard drive. I don't do that right now, or we can press on it, and then we're choosing the file name and the location, and then you see on the progress bar on the upper right corner how far is that exporting process. I hope you got an understanding how efficient that post video motion search is, and I hope you enjoyed the usage of the Management Center, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.